Why, hello everybody. Real Estate Steve here, and I'm super excited for you guys to be able to come to a one-day event with the legend Ron LeGrand, also legend Jay Connor, and we have Brandon Altoff Long here, and they're going to be coming to Erie, Pennsylvania to conduct a live one-day event. Ron.
Yep, we are, and I'm looking forward to having a nice group there because frankly, I haven't done a seminar this year for anybody else. So Steve's sitting here at my event, so you know, I owed him to come to his event, and I know you're going to come, and here's why. I know you have interest in real estate, or you wouldn't be watching this, and I've been at it 41 years now, several thousand houses, and still do it to this very day, as early as yesterday. And I got some ways that you've never heard of to buy houses before, and I take all the grief out of it and all the risk out of it. We don't use credit, and we don't use money. We just buy a lot of houses, and that'll help you build wealth. And I'm going to show you how to do it the easy way. And Jay's going to show you where to get the money to buy those junker houses, aren't you, Jay?
Absolutely. The very first 6 years that my wife, Carol Joy, and I were in the business, we relied on local banks to fund our deals. That's all I knew to do. And then I remember it just like it was yesterday. I called up my banker January 2009, and my line of credit had been cut off with no notice. And I said, what am I going to do? So I came to Ron LeGrand's Quick Start event, learned about private money, and since that time, we've never missed out on our deal for not having the funding. So what am I going to be talking about at this fantastic event? I'm going to be talking about how you can get all the private money for your real estate deals that you would ever want without ever having to ask for money, without ever having to apply for a loan, how to get all the funding for your deals using private money, and your credit score's got nothing to do with it, your verification of income's got nothing to do with it. Get to this event, learn from the legendary Ron LeGrand, and I'm also going to show you how to get all the private money you ever want for your deals.
So you're never going to have to worry again, where do I get the money?
That's right.
Okay. And Steve, do they know your story? I mean, you're a legend in your area for sure. Because this guy was one of my children a few years ago. Well, he's still one of my children, but he's doing very, very well. And that's how it goes. We spread the word, they spread the word. And again, 41 years of this.
Real estate is the fastest way in any economy to build legacy wealth for you and your family. If you want to know how I was able to become a multimillionaire in a short few years, this is going to be the one day that this goes on. You don't want to miss this because your future self is going to be counting the millions.
Especially when you see all the bonuses and goodies I'm going to give away worth hundreds and hundreds of dollars for the measly amount you got to pay to get into this seminar. You will probably never see Jay and I together again in the same place. And frankly, we're very lucky to get this opportunity because it don't come along very often. So go down and sign up.
Super excited to see you guys.